right, next stop, Kitch-iti-kipi. 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 I don't know how to say it. Anyway, we're here. You can see we got here, it's about noon, and there is a line and lots of parking. So we will see how long it takes to get through the line. Let you know if you should get here earlier. So, your immediate review, was it worth the wait?
Yes. It's really cool to see all the fish and the water spring.
Yeah, actually seeing the dust cloud. So, we got here at 12:02 in line, and we are leaving at 1:33. Let's see how long the line is now.
Go green.
Go green.
Go green.
The time we got to that drone sign over there to the time we got to the boat was how long?
We got here around noon, and it's right now is 1:43. So 90 minutes.
Yeah. If you were gonna get here at noon or anytime after and you're complaining about waiting in a line, just either come here early, first thing in the morning,
Or late.
Or late, or not at all, because it was worth it, but you gotta wait.
And
That's
it's
just
free
how it is.
if you have a pass.
It's free. Don't complain. Don't say it's not free because you have to pay $12 for your recreational pass.
Everyone who lives in Michigan should have that pass.
Yes. We have thousands of acres that are $12 to access. So just suck it up and enjoy nature. And yeah, allot yourself like 2 hours. It's worth the drive. The reviews were saying this is a passing through event, so we will find out if there's anything else to do around this town.